Hi guys, today I want to share with you a way to clean up a sketch. This should be done when handing over work to a customer or just posting on a social network. I usually use the stroke method to find all the spots. To start, I duplicate the group with a sketch. I merge the group, apply mask, go to the background and fill it with black for clarity. Then I double click on the Nissan layer to bring up the layer styles menu. Switch to the strokes tab. Here we can choose the position relative to which the stroke will be displayed. I'll start with the outside and leave the size at 6. We can choose any color, the main thing is that it is clearly visible on our canvas. We can now observe all the extra spots on the canvas. I press OK and add a layer mask. I take an eraser and erase everything superfluous. By the way, if you haven't seen the process of creating this sketch, you can find it on my channel. I'll leave the link in the description. As soon as finished, I double-click on the layer effects again. In the position, I choose the type of inside. Now we can see that sketch is semi-transparent in many places, since I painted with pure strokes without filling. Now we'll fix it. I create a new layer under the sketch, select roughly the area and fill it with the background color. After I threw both layers into a folder. I copy the layer style with the sketch and duplicate it on the folder. Now we can see the display of changes directly. I return to the filled layer and continue to manually tint all the voids. The main thing is not to forget that we tint with the background color, so as not to change the color of the sketch itself. Done. Now we can merge the entire group. Don't forget to clear the layer style first. Now we check. I went too far with the tinting rear wheel. We wipe the excess and it will definitely be ready. That's all for me. Write in the comments what another methods you use. It will be interesting to read for me. Thank you for your attention and bye!